Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change profile picture on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your profile picture on Steam, first open up your Steam app as I have already opened it and log into your Steam account on which you want to change your profile picture. You can see guys, I have already logged in, and after logging into your Steam account on the Steam app itself, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a username available for us with the drop down arrow at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your username with the drop down arrow at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of menu will appear where we will be required to click on the view my profile option just above the account details. Click on view my profile and this kind of interface will open. Now in order to change your profile picture, you can see the edit profile button available for us over here just above the currently online. Click on the edit profile button and you land on this interface. Now you can see a bunch of options where it says general, avatar, profile background. We'll be required to click on the avatar over here, and this kind of interface will open. Now in order to change your profile picture on Steam, you can also choose these avatars which Steam has recommended for us if you want to, and click on the save button and it will be changed. Or you can just upload your avatar from your computer. To do that, click on the upload your avatar over here and go to the folder or the place where your profile picture is saved and open that. And after opening it guys, open the picture on this menu which you want to set as a profile picture on your Steam. And after doing that, you can see guys, you can set a portion of that picture to be changed as a profile picture on Steam. So we can uncrop it, we can zoom a section only, and with that being done guys, after choosing a section on Steam, click on the save button over here and that profile picture will be changed and your new profile picture will load over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to change profile picture on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.